As you keep issuing invoices in EFRIS, there is that part where you're supposed to keep writing the TIN number of the entity or the individual to whom you're issuing the invoice to. Now, if you're the kind of business that is always issuing regular invoices, you need to save time on the process. And one of the ways to save time is not to avoid having to keep typing the TIN number of the client or the individual or entity that you're trying to issue the invoice to. There is a way to do this in EFRIS. It is called saving this TIN number in the section we call frequent contacts. What I'm trying to say here is that you can have these clients or these customers that are very regular in your business. And so all you have to do is simply save them in a list called the frequent contacts list, so that every time you're going to issue an invoice to this client, because they are regular customers of yours, you don't need to keep typing their TIN number. You just simply select their TIN number from a list that you've already configured in the system. So in today's session, I'm simply going to show you how we put those TIN numbers in the frequent contact list. My name is Arnold Rangakuramia, and this is Kisembo Academy. Now that I have logged into the EFRIS web portal, so what I do, I'll go to right here at Fiscal Document Management. I'll hover my mouse over there. Then I'll come here to what we call Frequent Contacts link. Then I'll click on it. When I click on the Frequent Contacts list, here are some of the, the frequent contacts I've already put. So if I want to add another one, I simply come here and click Add. So I'm going to come here and click, I simply come here and put in the TIN of a frequent contact or a frequent client that I always invoice. It could be a business, it could be a consumer, it could be a foreigner, whichever you choose. So let me get a random TIN number here and put. So you put in the TIN, then just click on the side here. When you click on the side, the rest of the items will be auto-populated. Like that. So that's Mr. Godfrey Sendegear. All right, submit. Are you sure you want to submit? I'll say okay. Successfully submitted. So, and that's it. So that is how you add a frequent contact. So how do you get to use this frequent contact? Like I said earlier, you use this frequent contact list at the point you're issuing the invoice. So it means when I'm going to issue the invoice, this is how it will help me save time. So I'll come to, to Fiscal Document Management. I'll come here and click Issue. So when I'm going to issue an invoice, like you can see, now, of course, here I'll put the name, my name. So now, here, instead of now filling in the TIN, I'll simply come here and click on Frequent Contacts. When I click on frequent contacts, then the list of the frequent contacts that I had previously saved will come and show up here. So when they come and show up here, I'll simply select the person that I'm going to invoice. I'll come and click OK. Then I simply go to next, and then I am able to fill in the rest of the invoice. So that feature of frequent contacts helps, it saves time when I'm issuing an invoice. So it's that simple, and that's it. Arnold Rangakuramia is my name. Thanks for watching.